there. So in this video, we're going to figure out what people are looking for on Pinterest. So this video is actually part of a series of the Pins to Paychecks. This is where we are creating a blog that we are going to use Pinterest for to drive traffic to basically do our affiliate marketing that way. This is a faceless method basically, so to say, because you don't have to perform on video, you don't have to create any videos. You can absolutely just do it through creative writing. And in this day and age with ChatGPT and the internet the way it is, this is such a brilliant way of being able to do affiliate marketing. And even the top affiliate marketers that are not afraid to go on camera still use this method. The top guy from ClickBank, he uses this method. There are loads and loads of affiliate marketers who use this method with blogs and Pinterest. And I didn't know about it until recently. So that is why I'm sharing this series exactly for you to learn how to set it up step by step. Now, this series, you can learn from the videos, but to go in depth and have my full support in this, I do have my course listed below, which is hosted in my school community. And in this course, we're going to have live calls and my full support, plus extras, obviously, that I cannot show you or help you with in these videos. There are a few different ways that we can go about it. In the previous video, you would have seen we determined the Ikigai, right? Your interests, your passions. This video is going to be about how to find what people are searching for on Pinterest so that you can make a Pinterest account and a blog about a topic that people are actually searching for. Because there are two ways that you can go about this. You can go about this totally on what's your own passion, and that can be great because it will keep you motivated. But if that is not a topic that people are actually searching for in this day and age, it can be really disheartening because you're not going to get any traffic. Now, on the other hand, you can ignore your passion and your hobbies, and you can find a trending topic that is trending on Pinterest that people are searching for in high volumes and follow that. Now, the benefit of that is you're going to get good results. The con of that, the negative of that, is that there's probably a lot of competition in that. So that's why we actually want to blend those two. We want to find your passion and something that's trending and mix it so that you have your motivation because it's your passion, and you're going to have results because there's traffic. Now, let's get to Pinterest trends. You simply type into Google Pinterest trends and click on the trends. And now you can see, according to your area, what are the trends in your area. Okay, I don't really want to do a tour. Let go away. So the top trends in the Benelux, Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg this month. So we have nails. Nails seems to be always trending on Pinterest. Wallpaper, hairstyles, summer nails. Well, summer nails is probably coming to an end. Drawing ideas, outfits, French nails, bedroom inspiration, aesthetics, outfit ideas. So this is what I want to mention. Pinterest does seem like a heavily female audience, but that doesn't mean you can't make it work for you if you're a man. There's also, if you look up things that are more in the male areas of interest, like DIY, tools. Let's see, I'll just type that in. DIY. So see, DIY, not too bad, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So you got to go to this page. Now, according to your Ikigai, what did you find? Let's look up something. This is growing trends. They're already showing you weekly change, monthly change, yearly change. Summer nails. It's going down now. So of course, summer's coming to an end. Hairstyles. So for interest's sake, let's just take the top one. Nails, yearly change, or wallpaper, hairstyles. These are all ideas that you could do. This video, we're looking at the trends. But now we also have to find something that you can promote that goes along with these trends. So let's go over to our affiliate marketplace. In this example, I'm going to use ClickBank. I use ClickBank a lot. And we're going to go to ClickBank's affiliate marketplace. We are going to go to all offers. And you can see here. So we have arts and entertainment, betting, business, computers, cooking, food, wine. business, education, employment, green, health, home and garden, language, parenting, politics, reference, self-help, spirituality, new age, travel. So we said nails is a really trending. Is there anything we can find on here with nails? So let's just type here in the search bar, nails. So right here, Pro Nail Complex Antifungal. $137 commission you can make with that one. Interesting. This one, also for nail fungus, another nail fungus, toenail fungus, probiotic nail fungus, collagen refresh. So it's a collagen probably for stronger nails, another nail fungus. All right, so you can completely use this on your Pinterest account, right? You can have an article about nails and tie this in with that. So this one you'll make $30 commission, $129 commission on this one. So let's have a look at what the sales page will look like for this. Very nice picture there. 20-in-1 nail and feet essential formula. This looks very good. All right. So beautiful. Let us see now the affiliate page for this. This will give you the information that you need as an affiliate to sell this. Let's see what else is saying. Extremely broad appeal. Anti-nail fungus market is huge. Multiple video intros you can use. Now, this is not going to be a video about how to use ClickBank. This is just a video of how to find that overlap between ClickBank, product that you can promote, and your Pinterest trends. Find what is trending. All right, so here we see you can do the #1 trend on Pinterest, nails, and nails actually comes up a few times. French nails, summer nails, and probably there'll be autumn nails coming soon, right? Here, nagels inspiratie, that's nails, nagels, that's nails, nail inspo. So if you have a look at all that, there is so much here for nails. So this can be such a great seller. This is actually giving me some ideas here. All right, so now you found your product that you can promote. You found your Pinterest topic that you're going to make your account. You're going to make your account about nails. And now we're good to go. This is great. So that was just one part of how to set up your blog for Pinterest and how to really get down to the nitty-gritty right in the first stages before even starting your blog. So follow, like, and subscribe for the next video in this series, which is going to actually help you with the next steps of promoting a blog via Pinterest to do affiliate marketing. Hope to see you there.